So for the final component, I'm just going to share this AddInManager. The AddInManager, what it will do is it will help us to debug faster. And the only thing we need to add is these three components, that is the DLL, the DLL config, and the AddInManager. They need to be copied on a specific location, which goes on your files, program data. Inside program data, you have Autodesk, then you have Revit, add-ins, and in the version you want to work with, 20, 21, 22, you just need to copy that one. In this case, I'm replacing the same three files. And that will do it. So that when we are opening Revit, we have our Revit lookup, but we also have our AddInManager manual mode. And that case, that will help us to do debugging very fast.